The Smart Fill Optimizer is a scanning tool designed to minimize your packaging materials and void fill. By collecting data over time on how you package your products, it provides recommendations for alternative box sizes that reduce empty space. The Smart Fill Optimizer works by scanning boxes and storing their dimensions. The optimizer continuously monitors the highest product in the box and the remaining void space. This data reveals the most cost-effective box type and necessary packaging materials, resulting in significant savings.
The Smart Fill Scanner is a scanning system that measures the empty space in a box. Using AI technology, the system defines the exact amount of paper. The PC100 delivers the right amount of paper directly in the box. Optimal product protection and paper usage for each and every box. Can be operated manually or integrated in an automated process. No special knowledge required for packers. With the Smart Fill Scanner, get the best possible protection in each and every box and get the full control of the product protection.